Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the factors, essential factors for the photosynthesis process. As we know that the green plants have leaves, right? That means the leaves are called as the main part for the photosynthesis process. It is the main site for the photosynthesis process, right? And second one guys, key in the green leaves there is chloroplast, right? So what chloroplast contains? So for the photosynthesis process, which types of the factors are required, right? And photosynthesis के लिए first carbon dioxide is required, water, green pigment that means chlorophyll, then availability of water. This all the parts is required for the photosynthesis process. So let's discuss one by one. So first it is given chlorophyll. So guys, what is the chlorophyll? We can see that here is the one structure of chloroplast, right? So let's see first this structure. So this is the chloroplast, cross section of chloroplast. So inside the this chloroplast is present in the green leaves, right? And in this chloroplast, chlorophyll is present, right? So what is the usage of the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll traps the sunlight for the energy, right? When it traps the sunlight in the presence of carbon dioxide, water, and presence of this chlorophyll also and minerals with water also, it can manufacture the food. This is called as photosynthesis process. Okay. Now let's see what is this one. This is called as thylakoid, right? It is the one stack. This stack is made up of thylakoid. There are so many disc-like thylakoid, coin-like thylakoid. When joined together, it makes one stack. This is called as stack of thylakoid, and this each disc is called as the grana, right? And this disc is also called as granum. If there are more, that is called as grana. If it is one, disc-like structure is called as the grana. मतलब ये जो थैलेकोइड है वो ये जो स्टैक्स है पूरी थप्पी जो है सिक्के की जैसे ये थप्पी है उसको बोलेंगे स्टैक ऑफ थैलेकोइड, राइट? क्योंकि हर एक डिस्क से वो थैलेकोइड से बनी हुई है. इस डिस्क को ग्रेना बोलते हैं, ग्रेनम भी बोलते हैं, राइट? ये सारी चीज़ उसके आसपास देर आर लिटिल स्पेस. So this all the space around the thylakoid, it is called as stroma, right? So this was the structure of chloroplast. Oh, now next one is light. So guys, for the photosynthesis process, to convert the raw material into the sugar or starch into the food, sunlight is required, right? So it will be absorbed by the green chlorophyll, right, by green pigment. Okay. Now carbon dioxide. Now by the stomata, when stomata open or close, what happens? There will be exchange of gases. That means when stomata will be open, so carbon dioxide will be absorbed inside the stomata and oxygen will be released, and there will be loss of water through the stomata. This process is called as transpiration process. Okay, so guys, this open close of stomata will be done by the guard cell. Now what is the guard cell? So guys, this part is called as, this yellow part is called as the guard cell, right? And when it will open and when it will close. So during the day guard cell will open and during the night it will close. So what is the reason behind this special structure to open or close the stomata? So there are guard cells in the stomata, right? Actually in the guard cell what happens? There are two processes. One is turgid and second one is flaccid. Actually when guard cells will be tight, guard cells will be turgid. Turgid that means कि it will swallow, right? ये फूलता है guard cells, तो साइज उसकी बढ़ जाती है, and there will be little space between the two guard cells. This both the two guard cells are always in the pair. So when these guard cells will be swallowed, so size will increases and there will be space between the two cells, and by this space what happens? carbon dioxide will come out, carbon dioxide will be absorbed and oxygen will come out. In the same procedure, what happens when stomata will close? How it will be closed? So this process is called as the flaccid. Flaccid, that means ki when guard cell will be relaxed, it will be rest, it will be weak. So what happens? The size will decrease, the size of this guard cell will decrease, right? So automatically stomata will be closed, right? It happens during the night. So guys, this was the process of the, that means key factors that need during the photosynthesis process. These were the essential factors. Okay guys, now next factor is water for the photosynthesis process. This is the one essential factor for the photosynthesis process in the green plant. Okay, so how water is helpful? So guys, we know that when root absorbs water from the soil, it will be transported to all the parts of the plant, right? That means secondary root, primary root, this all absorbs the root and it will be transported towards the green leaves, right? And whatever structure is required to transport this water towards all the body part, that means the structure in the plant which is helpful to transport water, raw materials, minerals absorbed by the root, this structure is called as the xylem, right? This is called as the xylem. In the same way, now what happens? In the green leaves there will be photosynthesis process in the presence of carbon dioxide, this water, mineral and sunlight and chlorophyll. So after the manufacturing of this food, the food need to be transported to all the parts of the plant, right? So whatever structure is required to transport this food from the leaves to all the parts of the plant, this structure is called as the phloem. So this is called as xylem and it is called as phloem, right? So xylem is useful to transport the raw material, water, minerals towards the green leaves, right? And phloem will be helpful to transport the food to all the parts of the plant, right?